Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: the app name, current version, and whether Windows is up to date. This prevents compatibility errors. Once done, make sure you have enough free disk space and a stable internet connection so the download won't fail mid-transfer. You should also back up app data or settings now, because if an update resets preferences, you will want to restore quickly. This step saves troubleshooting time and ensures the update applies cleanly without data loss or surprises. You proceed to the actual update by choosing the official source, Microsoft Store or the app's built-in updater, to avoid corrupted files. Start the download, and if prompted, run the installer as administrator so it can modify system files. This prevents permission failures. Make sure to close related apps to free resources and monitor the progress for any error codes. If the installer stalls, temporarily disable antivirus and retry, because real-time scanning can sometimes block legitimate file writes during installation. You finish by rebooting if the installer requests it, then immediately verify the new version number and test core features so you catch regressions early. If settings were reset, restore your backup or reconfigure sync options now. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and any disabled services. If things go wrong, clear the app cache, reinstall the app cleanly, and inspect log files for error messages. These steps often reveal permission or dependency issues and get you back to a stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.